Hello, Team Ready. Wesley Long here, and as the VP of Retail for Instinct Ready, I'm happy to introduce you to a new product that we're bringing online, the QuikPak. We are super excited to bring it to you and wanted to give you guys an overview. Let's start with why. Why did we create this product? Why did we bring this to market? Well, according to FBI statistics, last year active shooter attacks increased by over 52%. And the number of victims killed and wounded in these attacks increased by 48% over the last year. Loss of life is huge. Physical wounds are huge. Mental and emotional wounds as a result of feeling no control is huge. The QuikPak helps you to be every day ready to take care of yourself and those around you. The QuikPak is designed as a standalone kit or to be used as an add-on to any of our U-Pack systems that we currently have available. It's small, lightweight. This design makes it perfect for settings that don't allow you to have a full go bag with you. Specifically, we designed it with the office worker or the urban commuter in mind. It's perfect to store away in a desk drawer or to throw in a backpack, especially like an EDC and everyday carry. So what's in this thing, right? Great question. The QuikPak is stocked with first aid supplies, including advanced bleeding control tools, making it our most advanced first aid solution to date. Contains a combat action tourniquet, chest seal, hemostatic dressing for severe trauma scenarios. Now, most average people, when I say those things, they may not even know what they are. They're not familiar with advanced bleeding control techniques or tools, which is why in this, we're including a QR code so that you can take a free online Stop the Bleed course to increase your knowledge base, right? Because at Instinct Ready, we feel education is the most important component of preparedness. So that's it, guys. I wanted to thank you for your time. Thank you so much for listening. We know that a lot of you guys have been asking for a product like this, and our goal at Instinct Ready is to educate, prepare, and equip individuals. And let's take care of you and your family members. So let's stay educated, stay prepared, and stay equipped.